guys, welcome back to my channel. Win's Life here. For today's video, we are having unboxing. This is an accent light from Gardenreet. Let us see. I'm so excited to see what it looks like. And oh wow, it is really nice, heavy, because this one is made from heavy brass, and it looks like it's textured, guys, if you can see it right there. And it is highly resistant to corrosion and heat, and frost resistant. So if you guys live on an area that is having snow, this is really good product for you guys. And it has this curved glass right here, and it is also heat resistant glass, curved glass right here. And again, it looks like it's textured, and it is also, guys, durable than plastic and aluminum. And it has this thing here to change the position all the way to 180 degrees right here. So you can unscrew that and just change the position on how you like your light, if you want it straight like that or angle. And it also has this silicone plug right here, so it prevents the water and the insect from entering. And yeah, it's really heavy, very nice and heavy. That's A+. And then the other one, guys, that I like about it, it comes with this piece right here. Because some light, guys, it doesn't have this piece that is separate. Some are, you know, connected to this piece, and this one I really like it because you can adjust your beam, and there's a screw here, so you can just adjust how you like your beam, and then you just tighten it from that screw right there. And again, it's really heavy, very durable. We are going to put this in front of our house, so can't wait to see it tonight what it looks like, guys.